Your Honor, calling people versus Jennifer Crumbley, case number 222799990 FH.
Good afternoon, Karen McDonald on behalf of the people.
Thank you, Mark Keast on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, I'm Shannon Smith on behalf of Jennifer Crumbley, who sits to my left.
All right, are you ready for the jury?
Yes.
That's right.
All right, I'm going to ask when the jury reads their verdict. After that, I want everyone to remain seated. All right.
Judge, do you want us to sit up? Stay standing or sit?
It's up to you. It's up to you. I really want the audience to stay seated after when the verdict's read, and after that. And after that.
Stand or sit? It doesn't matter.
She can stand if she wants. It's up to her.
Do you want us to stand or sit? We're gonna have to stand up. Do you want to stand or sit? Are you prepared?
All rise for the jury.
Good afternoon, you may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been informed that you have a verdict, is that correct?
That is correct.
Are you the foreperson?
I am.
Could you please read your verdict?
Individually?
Sure.
Okay. On count 1 of involuntary manslaughter as to Madison Baldwin, we find the defendant guilty of involuntary manslaughter. On count 2 of involuntary manslaughter in regards to Tate Muir, we find the defendant guilty of involuntary manslaughter. On count 3, as to involuntary manslaughter regarding Hannah St. Juliana, we find the defendant guilty of involuntary manslaughter. And in count 4 of involuntary manslaughter against Justin Schilling, we find the defendant guilty of involuntary manslaughter.
Thank you, forewoman. You can be seated. And I'm going to ask Ms. Williams to poll the jury.
Juror in seat number 1, was that and is that your verdict?
It is.
Juror in seat number 2, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 3, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 5, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 6, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 7, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 8, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 11, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 12, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 13, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 14, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Juror in seat number 16, was that and is that your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We all know that this is one of the hardest things you've ever done. I'm going to ask you to return to the jury room. The 2 remaining alternates are also going to join you, and I'll be with you in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All rise for the jury.
All right, you may be seated. Bond is revoked, and I'm considering April 9th at 9 o'clock in the morning for sentencing if that.
That should be fine, Judge. Thank you.
Ms. Smith?
April 9th at 9 o'clock is fine, thank you.
All right. I'm going to ask that everyone remain seated while the defendant is taken out of the courtroom. All right?
All rise.